Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a Themeforest theme in WordPress, step by step. Whether you bought a theme for a business site, portfolio, or blog, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. So let's get started. After purchasing your theme from Themeforest, go to your Themeforest Downloads page and click Download. Choose Installable WordPress File Only. This gives you the zip file you'll upload to your site. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Now click Upload Theme, select the zip file you downloaded, and hit Install Now. Once the upload finishes, click Activate, and your new Themeforest theme will go live on your site. Now, most premium themes come with demo content to help you start faster. You can import it by going to Appearance or Theme Options, then Demo Import. Select the demo layout you like and click Import. This will add pages, images, and menus, giving you a ready-made site to edit. Once your demo is installed, it's time to customize. Go to Appearance and click Customize. Here you can change your logo, site title, colors, typography, and layout options. Most Themeforest themes also have their own panel, usually called Theme Options or Theme Settings, where you can adjust things like header styles, page width, or button colors. Explore those menus. Every theme is slightly different. To edit the actual content of pages, go to Pages and click Edit. Many Themeforest themes use page builders like Elementor, WP Bakery, or Beaver Builder. If you see buttons like Edit with Elementor, click it to open a drag-and-drop editor. From there, you can replace text, swap images, move sections, and adjust spacing visually. It's super easy to customize everything without coding. If you want to edit specific sections, like your footer or header, go to Appearance, then Widgets or Menus. You can add or remove links, social icons, or copyright text. For advanced tweaks, like custom CSS or fonts, use the Additional CSS tab under Customize. Once you're done editing, preview your changes, and when everything looks perfect, click Publish. And that's it! Your Themeforest theme is fully customized and live on WordPress. With just a few adjustments, you can turn any pre-made theme into a completely unique, professional website that matches your style. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.